How can I lose weight fast? This is the most common question in the world, especially in the women. Most people start a diet with good intention, but here's the problem. What if I told you that you could lose weight without starving yourself and still enjoying taste, satisfying meals every single day? Today, you are going to discover a step by step weight loss meal plan that's backed by science, simple to follow, and realistic for busy people. Why most diets fail? Most people start a diet with good intention, but here's the problem: they either eat too little and feel hungry all the time, or cut out entire food groups and end up binge eating later. The truth is, weight loss, it's about eating less food, it's about eating the right food in the right amount. That's why this meal plan work because it's balanced, flexible and sustainable. And stick around until the end for a bonus trick that can speed up your fat loss without cutting out your favorite foods. Step 1: calculate your calorie needs. The first step is knowing how many calories your body needs to lose weight. Here's the quick formula. Take your body weight in pounds and multiply by 10 or 12. Example, if you weigh 150 pounds, 150 multiply 11 is equal to 1650 calories per day for weight loss. This is your calorie budget. Think of it like your spending limit for the day, but instead of money, it's energy. Pro tip: don't go below 1200 calories for women or 1500 for men unless advised by a doctor. Step 2: balance your micronutrients. Now that you know your calorie limit, it's time to break it into micronutrients. Protein builds and maintaining muscle. Aim for 30-35 for calories. Carbs fuel your energy. Aim for 40 to 45% of calories. Fats keep you full and support hormones. Aim for 20 to 25% of calories. Example of 1650 calories diet. Protein approximately 130 grams, 550 calories. Carbs approximately 180 grams, 720 calories. Fat approximately 45 grams, 410 calories. This balance keep you full, prevent energy crashes and support fat loss without feeling deprived. Step 3: structure your day. Here a simple structure you can adopt. Meal 1: breakfast 400 to 450 calories. Example: Greek yogurt plus berries, a sprinkle of oats. Protein plus fiber keeps you full till lunch. Meal 2: lunch 500 to 550 calories. Grilled chicken breast plus quinoa plus steamed broccoli. Balance with lean protein, whole grains and veggies. Meal 3: snack 150 to 200 calories. Example: handful of almonds or apple slices with peanut butter. Meal 4: dinner 500 to 550 calories. Example: baked salmon plus sweet potatoes plus green salad. This gives you 4 satisfying meals and avoid the I am starving feeling. Step 4: meal timing. There is no one size fits all eating schedules. Some people like 3 big meals, others prefer smaller meals spread out. But here's the secret: it's not when you eat, it's what and how much you eat. Focus on protein at every meal to stay full and don't skip meals thinking it will speed up weight loss. It often backfires. Step 5: smart food choices. When picking foods, think of them in two categories: high volume, low calories foods like vegetable, leafy greens, berries, cucumbers, zucchini, soup. These fill you up without adding many calories. Low volume, high calorie foods like fried foods, sweets, cheese, oils, these can fit into your diet, but watch the portions. One of the easiest swaps: replace creamy dressing with lemon juice and olive oil. Swap sugary drinks for sparkling water with lemon. Small swaps save hundreds of calories a day without even feeling it. Step 6: hydration and hidden calories. Water is just about hydration. It's help control appetite. Aim for 2-3 liters a day. Reach out for hidden calories in coffee, drink, juice and sauces. They can quality add up and sabotage your progress. Step 7, consistency and flexibility. Here's the truth. No meal plan works if you only follow it for a week. Aim for 18% consistency. That means most of the time you stick the plan, but you can still enjoy treats occasionally. If you overeat one day, don't punish yourself. Just get back on track the next meal. Bonus tip. Here's the bonus promise. Eating 25-30 grams of protein at breakfast has been shown to reduce craving later in the day by up to 16%. It's like giving your brain a full tank signal early on. Now I want to hear from you. What's your biggest struggle with weight loss? It is meal planning, portion control, or craving. Drop your answer in the comment. I read every single one. And please like, share, and subscribe for my channel.